Hello, readers. How are you? Think to yourself, where are you on the compass? Take 3 breaths to focus. Here is your video. Quarter 3 is dystopian literature. Ignite today's goal. Students will be able to conduct a mature, responsible online discussion where we cite our texts, refer to our evidence, and encourage socialization through literature. Entrance ticket, aka something to think about. Did you borrow a book from the library or teacher or from virtual apps? Have you been trying to read for 30 minutes most days? Chunk work time. Mini lesson. Good readers socialize with their books and participate in book talks, clubs, discussions, and debates. How to have an online book discussion. Answer 2 questions you know the best, blue and or green. Comment on at least 2 other posts. Answer the question fully with complete sentences and thorough ideas. Refer back to the text and use exact pages, chapters, and section. Use these when we are stating the text. Quotes. Be independent and unique and have fun. Chew on it. Comment examples. Use words like I agree or I disagree or say more or why do you think that way or what made you think that or which page did you see that happening. I agree because, I disagree because, say more about that. What do you mean? What page number was that on? Avoid words such as like or dislike. 4 out of 4, excellent. I follow discussion norms. I state clear and complex ideas about the story I'm reading. I use examples, details, and quotes from the text to support my ideas. I'm able to add onto and challenge the ideas of other book club members. I correctly use technical vocabulary. Review. Exit ticket. Answer 2 of 8 questions. Comment on at least 2 other posts. Questions in blue can be for those students who have chosen a dystopian novel or a different type of novel, whatever you have. Questions in green can be for those students who have not yet chosen a dystopian novel. Q1. In your opinion, what is the most important theme the author of the book is trying to communicate? Support your claim with evidence from the text. In my opinion, the most important theme for my book is, on page, it says, question 2, what social issues are you seeing in your dystopian novel? The social issues I see in my book are, question 3, what have the main characters learned from himself, herself, other characters, or the world? My characters have learned that. Q4, what kinds of struggles and problems did the main character face? Explain how the main character dealt with and solved each one. My characters have struggled with, on page blank it says, quote, Q5, what feelings did you have as you read this story? Find some places that made you feel that way. Share and discuss these. When I read my novel, it made me feel because. Q6, why would Margot from All Summer in a Day stay quiet about her knowledge of the sun? Click here for All Summer in the Day text. Margot stayed quiet because, on page blank it says, quote, Q7, in the story 0 Hour, when do you think the story takes place? Was it long ago, in the future, in the present? Why? Click here, 0 Hour by Ray Bradbury. I think the story takes place during, I know this because, Q8, The Lottery, is a story about tradition. What are some other problems the characters couldn't solve? Click here to read the lottery text. Some other problems they face are, I know this because. Thank you.